Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update color palettes using Adobe Color for US audience testing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update color palettes using Adobe Color, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Color website. Log into your Adobe account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface. To create a new color palette, click on the Create tab. You can choose between various color harmony rules such as analogous, monochromatic, or complementary. Select the rule that suits your project best. Use the color wheel to adjust the colors as desired. Click on the color circles to change each color individually. As you adjust, you'll see the color codes appear below. Take note of these codes for later use. You can also extract colors from images by clicking on Extract from Image. Upload an image that inspires your palette. Select the dominant colors that appear in the image. Adobe Color will automatically generate a palette based on your selection. Once your palette is ready, click Save in the upper right corner. Give your color palette a descriptive name for easy reference. Choose the privacy setting that fits your needs, whether public, private, or group. After saving, you'll find your palette under the My Libraries section. From here, you can create a new project or update an existing one. To use your palette in Adobe applications, open the relevant app. Access the Libraries panel in the app to find your saved palettes. Drag and drop the colors into your design workspace. Make any further adjustments as needed within the application. Finally, export your design to see how the color palette integrates into your project. Repeat these steps as necessary for future color palette updates. With practice, this process will become an essential part of your design workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.